Welcome to XAYWEAR. So, let's start with grabbing the product. Let's pick this one for example. Here you can find the product details and sizes. Please don't forget to click View Size Chart before placing an order. And here you can find your preferred fittings. Also, you can customize the size or select Custom Size option to make it a perfect fit for you. Just tap on Custom Size options or select any size which is close to your measurements. And enter your accurate measurements. For example, you want chest to be 19 inches. Now, select the quantity. If you want to continue buying more products, click Add to Cart. Or if you only wanted to buy this suit instantly, click on Buy It Now. It will redirect you instantly to the checkout page where we need some basic details about you, like phone number and address. Usually prefer mobile numbers. Feel free to enter your details in the provided fields. XAYWEAR safeguards your data from unauthorized access or misuse. You will find an option of free delivery or fast delivery once you enter the address completely. Select if your billing address is same or different. That's it. Now, just click the Pay Now button to proceed and you will find an option to enter your card details to make a purchase. And your checkout is done. Thanks for watching.